Hello everyone, this is Greg with Heartland Honda Powersports in Springdale, Arkansas. Today we're going to talk trikes, in particular California sidecar trikes that we build in-house at Heartland Honda. As you can see, this is a brand new 2025 two-tone 50th anniversary Eternal Goldwing Tour DCT with the Encore CSC conversion kit that we've put on there. I'm not going to talk too much about the Goldwing itself. This is one of the last 2025s that we'll be triking. We've got a couple of gold ones, a couple of the red ones left. We decided to do those colors because the new 2026s didn't carry through with the same colors, so we thought it would make sense because the demand is certainly still there. So anyhow, let's get into the trike conversion kits. First and foremost, when you choose to buy a trike or get a trike conversion, and particularly a new one, the dealership where you get it and that builds it makes a huge difference. There are a few select dealers like ourselves that truly build them in-house with certified, not only Honda Red Level certified techs, but California sidecar techs as well. But what you'll find in our industry, which is frustrating to dealers like us, a lot of the competition sublets their build outs, the conversions, to like a body shop or a third party. Why does that matter? Well, first and foremost, are they truly a motorcycle tech trained to handle anything and everything associated with this? Highly unlikely. I don't want to say anything bad about them, but I don't think their level of expertise will even touch what we have to offer. So that does matter. And then how long have they been doing it? We've been doing it over 25 years. We definitely have the process dialed in. We are not looking to build it as quick or fast as we can. We're looking to build it as good and as best quality for the long term. We have customers coming from all over the U.S. We know good and well when you come from Washington State and you leave Arkansas with this brand new trike, it better be right because you got a long ways to go. So we can do that, and we definitely would like to take care of you from that aspect. Into the trike builds. This particular one, we've added the chrome front wheel upgrade, and you'll notice it's dipped in chrome. It matches the rear Encore wheels in chrome. That is an upgrade. It's a little over $1,000, but it looks phenomenal. You can't see it in the picture, but we've added the front end rake, the fork assembly. It maintains the double wishbone there, so you still get the phenomenal ride that the true Goldwing has, but you get it in a raked out version, which is essentially like putting power steering on it. Makes it really easy to steer, reduces rider fatigue phenomenally. It's just something we really want to put on there. We also, if you can see, there's one on both sides. These are the tie down brackets. We add those in every build. They don't add hardly any money, but they make the ability to tie this down should you ever need or want to transport it way easier. Otherwise you're fishing tie downs through the front end, and it's just very difficult to do. If you got the tie down brackets on there, easy peasy, done. So we've added that. Coming along the side here, you'll see the aqua shields. These are color matched with the CSC logo here. We've also added the CSC gold embroidered fender bra. So you've got the aqua shield, which are load bearing. I've never really understood that, to be quite honest with you, because you have a footstep or the passenger here where you can easily mount this thing. So why you would ever choose to step on that is beyond me. But from CSC, they're load bearing. But they really protect the rider from all the road debris. They tie the trike kit in where it flows seamlessly, and obviously the color match flows all the way through. And then this is the #1 spot on either side where road chips, rock chips, anything's going to come up and hit this. So it looks really good, but it functions better because it protects the main area that would get hit with anything. Coming around the side here, we've got a lot going on. We've got the 50th anniversary color matched with the little inlay Goldwing, tied into it, so it looks really good, and it maintains what you get from the factory. They did a phenomenal job on that. And then we also added the chrome rear wheel well trim across here. It adds protection. It gives a little bit more flavor with the chrome. And then you can see the chrome 17-inch rear wheel that looks really good, tied to the front. And then this red in there, that is the performance brake upgrade. A very enhanced caliper to add stopping power and stopping ability. It looks good and it performs even better. We're going to flow around, but I'm going to turn this on real quick because I really want you to see some of the lights. We have added the chrome LED rear light bar that flows across both sides. It's got LED lights on it, and then you've got your brake light in here. So when you light it up, it really shines and people can see you're applying brakes, you're slowing down. It's a safety item. It looks good. It makes a lot of sense. We add it to a lot of these for custom build purposes. We've also added the trailer hitch with a 1 7/8 inch ball. Two things with that. A lot of people at Trikes do pull trailers. We do offer Escapade trailers custom order. If you want to order one of those, we can talk about that separately. But it also protects you, so if you're backing up or someone's coming up on you, I'd rather bump this than any part of this, because you're not really going to hurt the ball, but you could hurt the fender or the fiberglass on there. So it's kind of a nice thing to add. Now when we get inside the trunk, there's a little button up here, you can hardly see it. You push that button, that releases the trunk to open up. 8.25, I believe, cubic feet. It's the largest in the business. You've got space in here. We've also added the little light in here so at night you can see what's going on. You got open area here. You've got a little cubby here, and then another cubby up here that snaps up there if you need to keep other smaller items from moving around, jostling around, so on and so forth. And then you've got one more right here. So you can see in the rear trunk with all the space, you've got a lot of storage to carry a lot of your stuff. So if you're like me and your wife's going with you, you're going to need a lot of storage, and this is going to handle it. Don't tell my wife I said that. One mistake I just made, don't make that. I left the light on. That will run your battery down. Be sure you turn that off before you close your trunk. And we're going to come back around over here. You're going to see the same things on this side that we had. We have the chrome wheel well trim. We have the 17-inch chrome wheel with the performance brake upgrade. Then we come tie it all into the Aqua Shield running board with the CSC embroidered bra there. Now one thing we didn't talk about because you can't see it, but the auxiliary fuel tank is an option on CSCs. We do it on some, we don't do it on others, depending on what the build process is. This particular one has it. I believe it's 3.6 gallons. So it adds 3.6 on top of your factory, so you can really extend your run time, your, however many miles you want to go. Most people, I think, find that with the factory tank it's okay, because by the time you need to fill up, you're more than ready to stop, take a break, rest your legs. But for some running up to Alaska, running across the North I-80 where you might not have as many gas fueling options, the extended tank makes a lot of sense. So as you can see, this maintains all the factory settings for your braking and your suspension. This is the DC Tour model, so it's a fully automatic with different ride modes. If you've never ridden one of these, put it in sport mode and hang on and have some fun, because it's a lot of fun. So you get all the Goldwing telematics up here, which is a completely different video because it gets really in depth with the Goldwing, but by far and above, the Goldwing makes the best platform to do a conversion for 3 wheels, far and above anyone else. There's no other power plant like this that can handle the conversion, because you're adding more weight, more stuff to it. And the Goldwing power is just phenomenal. It's got torque, it's got power, it gets good fuel efficiency, and it can handle the load. So that's really what it is. If you go to our website at heartlandhonda.com and go to the Trikes button, we have implanted the ability to see what a build looks like, just like when we order it. We've got a couple on the floor for just stock right now, which is kind of rare. We usually don't. But we can custom build one for you exactly. You can get on there, you can pick exactly what you want. Prices are going to range anywhere from 45, 46 up to 60 grand. There are a lot of options. What we suggest you do is get on there and play with it a little bit to kind of familiarize yourself with it. Then call us and talk to one of our trike experts. We've got several on hand here that can walk you through exactly what we do and don't recommend. I can tell you a couple things we're going to recommend: the front end rake and the Aqua Shields. But there's a lot of other ideas and options that you can do, and you can talk with our specialists, and we'll be happy to walk you through it. We're not the cheapest, we are the best. We're not the fastest, we are the best. I can't emphasize that enough. If you're looking for the cheapest, fastest trike conversion, keep going, keep going. We're not your guy. If you're looking for the best and you want the best long-term quality and support with knowledgeable, experienced people that have been doing it a long, long time, Heartland Honda in Springdale is your trike headquarters. Come check us out. We'd love to see you. Thanks for watching.